Wanna know how to check if a number is prime in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Java compiler, and I have written this code right here. You can just simply copy or modify this code by yourself. So if you need to check a number, if it's prime, we start with num that is greater than 1. So we have created this boolean number that is greater than 1. So after that is done, we loop 2 to the square root of the number. So if it's divisible by any number in that range, then it's not prime. And that's it. This method is really efficient and works fast for large numbers. So we have used a small for loop as well for this, and you can just simply run it up to check the results, and then you're good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.